Hey Craftsie! Did you know that you can use simple materials to create stunning earrings just using paint? Let's unlock your creativity. In today's video, you are going to learn how to create masterpiece earrings with this wooden earring kit. Now, let's transform these earrings into masterpieces. Let's get started.
Okay, so I have this little kit that I bought some while back, and it just looks interesting, and I've been wanting to paint on this for the longest time. So I have acrylic paint, some brushes with water, a paint palette, and then I have this acrylic gloss glaze medium that I'll use to glaze the earrings at the end. Okay, so let's see what we get inside. Now obviously you can see there are a few pairs of each design here, and then there looks like there's a few other things. So we've got these oval design, these circular ones, and then we have these triangular ones. Now luckily we also get the ear hooks and jump rings as well, which really helps in this case. So I'm going to pick out one of each, and then we're going to do a design on each one. Now first, obviously you can use gesso to paint over each one in white, but I just used acrylic paint just to paint the surface white. Now I just painted the front white. I should have probably done both sides, but I only did the front, which is fine. When I paint, I really just let my creativity take over. I don't start with any ideas because I kind of feel like just going with the flow is my best way to create beautiful masterpieces. Now this is the same that you can do as well. Go in with creativity. If you like planning before, go ahead and plan your designs before you start painting. But I did not do that. I just went in and I painted. I'm not sure if you realize, but I've been struggling with this paintbrush because the hairs came loose, as you can see, and that just irritated me. For some reason, I couldn't find any of my other brushes. I have so many beautiful creative brushes, and I got this one. So I actually just went and looked for it later on, and boom, I found another brush. This brush is way better. Gets the color off there. I just had to remove all of the hairs that the other one left over. Luckily I just found another brush. This brush is beautiful, it paints well, and it doesn't lose its hairs. So I just did a few more coats of that. Starting with the triangular ones, I'm gonna go in with light blue. So I just went and mixed some blue and white. Going into this design, I didn't really have an idea of what I wanted to do, but I kind of figured that a little wave or like an ocean effect would look nice, and that's something that I will wear personally. I like very different types of styles of earrings. I love shocking, big, chunky earrings. That's absolutely something I love wearing. So I was thinking these are going to be a bit more plain than usual, but it is going to be something that I love, which is the ocean. Now, fun fact, I don't swim in the ocean anymore. I'm very scared of the ocean, but I absolutely love being on the beach, reading a book, or sitting there and not really tanning, but just sitting in the shade and enjoying the ocean breeze.
One thing I would do is put my feet in the water just by my ankles and, you know, just feel the waves coming in and things like that. That's an amazing feeling, you know, feeling the sand between your toes and the water coming in, and, you know, just your feet goes deeper and deeper. But yeah, I won't go swimming in the ocean. That's not something I will ever do again.
The right hand one, I kind of struggled a bit. I just felt like it didn't look exactly the same as the other one. But also for me, the same, it doesn't have to look the same, completely the same, because earrings are unique. And I would also wear earrings that are different. So I would wear one earring that looks a bit different than the other one, and that's okay with me. I absolutely love earrings, and it's a way for me to express myself. So done with the first pair, I kind of just went in with the total contrasting of color for the circular ones. I also used this beige color, and it kind of defeats the purpose because it was kind of beige, and now I painted it white and now beige again. So that's okay. Look, let's just trust the process. Look, like I said, I did not go in with a plan, but I kind of could have planned a little bit better when it came to the coloring and the painting of it. But it's okay. We're just trusting the process today. So I put a few coats of this on. Going in with the yellow, I kind of had an idea, but I didn't really have an idea or a plan on what I really wanted to do. So I just went with the flow, and I just kind of enjoyed the process of creating something, starting at one point and then just later on just liking it more and more. And that is something that you can take away from this as well, is when you do something, don't give up halfway through. Continue. Even if you don't like it in the beginning, you will most likely enjoy the process and like it at the end. So enjoying the way it just comes together at the end is something that I'm really enjoying watching it back. So I've added white, I've added beige, I've added the yellow. So let's just see how these actually unfold. So yellow is not normally a color that I'll go for. It's not something I would really have in my cupboard to wear. But I can probably match this with like maybe a beige or a light pink combination like outfit. But I think this would definitely be something I would wear. It's you know, it's stand out and it's shocking and chunky. So I'm kind of very excited about this. So up until this point, I wasn't really vibing with these earrings, but after here or from here, it kind of just took a turn for the better, and I kind of just felt happy with them in the end. At this point, I really started liking these earrings, and I thought that this is really turning into something that I would definitely wear with the, you know, the stripes and the contrast of everything, and white and yellow doesn't look that bad. So when I started adding these little white lines, it just started coming together, and I really started liking these, and I kind of feel like these are my new favorites. If you're liking this video so far, please hit the like button, and also if you're still watching, please add a little heart in the comments so that I know you got this far. Ooh, now we're getting to my favorite part. So I started using a different type, well, it's also acrylic paint, but I use these little tubs instead, just a bit easier because I just waste less paint. So going into these, I thought, like, I'm going to make these colorful, and I'm just going to go in with a design. And I must say, these are my favorite so far. Like, I feel the blue ones are great. The yellow ones are okay, but this one, is my favorite. It kind of reminds me of Easter eggs. You know those colorful Easter eggs? A lot of people paint Easter eggs. I've never painted Easter eggs myself, but I've seen a lot of colorful ones done on the internet, and it's amazing. This really reminds me of an Easter egg, and now I want an Easter egg, and it's not even Easter. It's November, no, it's October. It's far away from now. Absolutely loving the process of painting on these earrings. I feel like adding the white coat was definitely a great call, but I must say that the other colors would definitely take 2 coats, just to make sure that it blends together and it looks good. Now, I have linked in the description a link to this kit if you want to try it out yourself, because I'm sure that you probably got a few beautiful ideas from this video, and this is definitely going to inspire you to create your own perfect masterpiece earrings, because this is totally 3 different designs, different colors, and I'm just absolutely enjoying the process. So let me know what you think of this, but it is definitely something that I would do again. I really enjoyed the process. So finishing off these beautiful earrings, I am painting on the backs. I'm painting the ocean vibe ones blue at the back. The yellow ones, I'm just putting yellow at the back. Then the colorful ones, I'm just putting pink at the back. And just a last finishing touch for the last one is I'm just adding some white lines in between the colors just to break it a bit. And I kind of felt like that made a bit of a difference for the better. I added the glass glaze medium to all of them, added the ear hooks, and voila! Look at how beautiful this turned out. I absolutely love these. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know. I absolutely love these ones. They're my favorite.